Hi, today we're going to do how to use labels in Tableau. So for doing this, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So as you can see in our marks card, there's one text field which is also known as the label field. So this field helps us to represent the data or the value on our data visualization. So let's do this one example in order to understand this better. So I'll just take the subcategory field and I'll drop it onto the column shelf, and then I'll take the sales field and I'll drop it onto the row shelf. So as you can see now, our bar chart has been ready. But if you want to show the value of sales of each of the subcategory, so we can do this by using the help of label. So I'll take the sales field and I'll drop it onto the label shelf. So now we can see the value of each subcategory is now showing above the bar. So if you want to show the profit of each subcategory, we can also do that by just taking the profit column and drop it onto the label. So now the profit of each subcategory is now showing on the bar chart. And if you want to show the name of subcategory, so take the subcategory field and drop it onto the label. So now the subcategory is now has been showing onto the bar chart, and let's take the sales and drop it onto the label. So we can also do some different kind of editing and formatting uh, to label this better. So for that, you'll just have to click on the label and click on here on the text. So here you can change the font size or the color or the alignment of your label. So you just have to copy your label, and after clicking on the drop down, you can select the different font. Here you can select the different size, and you can make it bold, and if you want to make it italic, you can do by clicking here, and here you can select the different color, and here you can select the different alignment. So by default it is in center, but you can do it by clicking here, and you can make it move it to the left, and clicking here you can move it to the right. So I'll keep it as a center. So after doing this, you just have to click on apply button and click on OK. So as you can see on our chart, the, our label has been changed. It now you can see it is also, the color has been changed, and also the alignment has been changed. So this is how we use label in the Tableau. Thanks.